Several years ago, the world witnessed a tragedy that shattered the hearts of millions. On the 1st of February 2003, millions worldwide witnessed the disintegration of the NASA space shuttle Columbia as it attempted to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere. As the world mourned the loss of the brave astronauts who only wanted to return home, it began to wonder what could have caused this catastrophe. After all, this was just one of the many missions that Columbia had embarked on. It soon became clear upon investigation that this calamity could easily have been avoided. Let's take a quick look at what caused this accident. But before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Future Collective, for more amazing videos just like this one. With that out of the way, let's get to it. What really happened? Upon NASA's investigation of the tragedy, it was discovered that the trip was doomed from the start of its 2-week mission. Unknown to the 70-member STS-107 crew and everyone else involved in the expedition, moments after the shuttle took off, a 2-foot-long piece of insulating foam would detach from the external tank's left bipod before knocking into the shuttle's left wing's heat-resistant panels at a speed of 500 miles per hour. Unfortunately, it wasn't until a full day later that the seemingly insignificant event was even detected upon examination of the launch footage. Apparently, not unusual. Although the foam striking proved to be fatal during this certain mission, it appears that this wasn't the first time it had occurred. In fact, ever since Columbia made its maiden flight in 1981, it was discovered that the orbiter had been struck constantly by the same sort of foam on several missions. However, the foam was deemed necessary because of the role it plays in maintaining the temperature of the liquid oxygen and hydrogen inside the shuttle's external tank. How could this have been prevented? Alas, the day after the orbiter took off, NASA's Intercenter Photo Working Group, IPGW, finally caught what happened with the foam and was immediately troubled by what they observed. Fearing that the heat panels could have suffered severe damage, the people at IPWG immediately notified the Ministry of Defense and NASA and requested an imaging of the ship. However, due to the effort it would take to get Columbia into a favorable imaging position, NASA officials downplayed the event, even going as far as only informing the ship's commander, Rick Husband, about the event because reporters may question them upon re-arrival. Explosions in the sky. Unfortunately, the culmination of the foam strike and NASA's failure to fully understand the implications of this event eventually led to the demise of the 7 astronauts and the disintegration of the Columbia orbiter.
Columbia, Houston, UHF comm check.
On the 1st of February at 8:53 a.m., several people witnessed as the spaceship exploded in the sky as it attempted to re-enter the planet. Over the next few days, remains of the fallen astronauts and the scattered debris of the ship were gathered in and around Texas. A few days later, a memorial service was held for the STS-107 crew, while several places and celestial objects were named after Columbia and its crew. Despite the respect paid and that the trip was doomed from the beginning, it still feels like more could have been done to save the fallen. Let's hope that these would serve as a reminder to protect the brave men that explore space on our behalf. With that, our video has come to an end here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Future Collective, and hit that bell icon for more future-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.